Welcome to ERi-TV, dear viewers. This is English news broadcast for today, January 14, 2025, at exactly 10:30 p.m. local time here in the capital, Asmara. These are the top stories for today. Workshop to strengthen women's agribusiness involvement. Training for teachers in Shu'aib subzone. China defends its maritime integrity in the disputed waterway. And Iran's army added 1,000 strategic drones to its arsenal. On your domestic reports, a workshop aimed at enhancing the role and participation of women in agribusiness was held in Barantu on 11 January. The workshop featured presentations on various topics, including the significance of water and soil conservation, small and medium agribusinesses, progress in bee farming, the production and significance of organic fertilizers, women's involvement in nutritious food production, and the role of the National Union of Eritrean Women in strengthening women's participation in agribusiness. Mr. Abu Bakr Usman, Director General of Agriculture and Land in the region, highlighted that the Minister of Agriculture has launched a 5-year strategic plan from 2024 to 2028 to enhance agricultural production and improve farmers' socioeconomic status. He also called on all stakeholders, national associations and agricultural experts to collaborate for the success of the program. Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Houri, governor of the region, emphasized the importance of prioritizing water and soil conservation to ensure nutritious food production by empowering farmers to boost agricultural output. He also urged all administrative levels to contribute to implementing the Ministry of Agriculture's planned development initiatives. Participants engaged in extensive discussions on the presentations and adopted various recommendations. At the event, certificates of recognition, agricultural tools, and reference materials were provided to exemplary farmers. In other news, training on administration, leadership and finance was provided to teachers in the Shu'aib subzone. The objective of the training was to develop teachers' capacity and enable them to contribute effectively to daily activities in their respective schools. The training covered topics such as harmonization concepts, problem solving, decision making, resistance, time management, financial reporting and financial auditing. Noting that the nomadic lifestyle and low interest among parents and students are significant challenges to teaching and learning development, Mr. Musa Adam, head of the education office in the subzone, stated that strong efforts are being made in collaboration with partners to address these issues. Research papers were presented during the event, focusing on setbacks in starting the academic year on time and other challenges affecting the teaching and learning process. The Shu'aib subzone has 23 schools ranging from preschool to high school, providing active educational services. We'll be back shortly with your international reports and more, dear viewers, so please stay tuned. Welcome back. The People's Republic of China has announced the enforcement of its military activities so as to ensure its marine security. Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs spokesperson declared that the sea duty, beside fortifying its marine security, has no harmful effect on other countries. Conversely, the Philippines National Maritime Council, after condemning the action, announced that it has deployed additional ships to the area. Experts in the field say that the freehold of the waters of the South China Sea will increase the tensions between the Philippines and the People's Republic of China. Philippines' alliance with the United States for the military promotion is also claimed to aggravate the situation among these two countries. Reports indicate that tension among the countries has been mostly intensified during the year of 2024. The Republic of China has upper authority on the largest part of the sea, where more than 3 trillion transactions are made. On today's final report, Iran's army on Monday added 1,000 domestically produced strategic drones to its arsenal, state news agency IRNA reported. The unmanned aerial vehicles, designed and manufactured by the Defense Ministry, were distributed to combat units across various regions of the country. According to reports at a handover ceremony, the Defense Minister Aziz Nazarzadeh said that the drones would strengthen Iran's ability to enhance its military capabilities in reconnaissance, border surveillance and combat. The unmanned aerial vehicles have an operational range exceeding 2,000 kilometers and are equipped with advanced features, including high destructive power, low radar detectability and autonomous operation without external control. It is known that Iran's armed forces have informed about the underground base where advanced missiles are produced and deposed. The country plans to hold more during the coming weeks to maintain and improve military preparedness against potential threats. Dear viewers, used to watching ERi-TV, and now recap of the major headlines. Workshop to strengthen women's agribusiness involvement. Training for teachers in Shi'ib subzone. China defends its maritime integrity in the disputed waterway. And Iran's army added 1,000 strategic drones to its arsenal. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching.